So for your question, years from now, when people remember your reign as Miss Kanituan, what do you want them to say about the woman behind the crown and why?
As a young woman, we believe that woman is very crucial. A woman who have the discrimination about her body. As an ambassador for women, I believe that every woman deserves not just to be seen, but to be heard, respected, and empowered. I would encourage my fellow women to take up space by reminding them that their voice matters. Their dreams are valid and their strength is unstoppable. We've been told for too long to shrink ourselves, to stay quiet and wait for our turn. But I say, the time is now. Thank you.
The new Miss Kanituan 2026 is candidate number 13! And your first runner-up is candidate number 7, Cynthia from Zone 1!
Hi, ako din si Camelia Hopi Kabaktulan from Zone 5. Akong pinaka-hardest part nga ni-join ko ani is kasabay na ko akong eskwela, dayon pagkagabi dayon kay moari ko din itas kulang-kulang akong tulog. And then akong inspiration nga ni-appeal ko ani kay akong family and also God, because when the time is right, God will make it happen. Thank you po sa barangay nga himo nila ni nga event, and blessed kay ko nga na-part ko sa ilang event and nadaog po ko as Miss Kanituan 2026. Hi sa akong mga supporters. Thank you guys sa pag-support sa ako. Especially, shout out kila Laika Jillian